Hey guys, welcome back to my reaction for another reaction video. How you guys doing? And back today guys with another reaction video to the group RBD. And this was a live performance that they did a couple months ago, actually in 2020, close to the end of the year. Bésame sin miedo. This is a live version to that song, and I'm here to see what this group is gonna be giving me. Yes. Come on, Chris. Yes. I do know this group was on a long hiatus, and to come back and their voice is still so fresh and so young, and they still got it. It is rare because like not a lot of group are still together or can come back together after so many years of hiatus. It's amazing to me. You have to give props to this group. You have to give props to this group. Come on. Yes. Yes. Give it to me, ladies. Yes. Besos sin miedo. Yes. Come on, Kristen. Oh, gorgeous. She still looks so good. Yes, give it to me. Yes. Hey. Bésame. Bésame sin miedo. Bésame sin miedo. Yeah, she better hit them notes. Better hit them notes like Rantis do. I feel like I'm in this group. Give it to me. Oh, this sounds so good. Oh, every time I see Chris, I just think about college. Bésame sin miedo. Bésame sin miedo. Oh, oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Child, they better close the show.
Verizon believes everyone deserves the.
They better close the show. Yes, that was RBD. Bésame sin miedo. Christopher. College. That's all I will say is college. Oh, those boys in college. But I do like this group. I wish all of them could just come back together and give us one performance one more time. I would like to see pregnant baby daddy Alfonso too there as well, and the other young lady with the red hat as well, because I know she's pregnant. But I would like for them to come back just one more time. Just one more time. I would like to see them all together. But thanks to the ones who recommend me react to this video, and to the group RBD. I really do appreciate it, for their fans as well. Thank you guys so much. As always, whatever you guys want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.